Changing your display name on the X app using a mobile device is actually a quick and simple process. You don't need any advanced settings or technical knowledge, just a few taps inside the app. First, open the X app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are inside the app, tap on your profile picture located in the top left corner of the screen. This will open a side menu with several options related to your account. From that menu, select the Profile option. It will take you directly to your personal profile page where your posts, followers, and profile details are shown. On this page, look for the Edit Profile button, which is usually placed on the right side under your header image. Tap on it to enter editing mode. Now you will see different fields that you can update, such as your name, bio, and other profile details. Tap on the Name field. Delete your current name carefully and type in your new desired name. Make sure it reflects how you want to appear publicly, since this is what other users will see on your profile. After entering your new name, simply tap the Save button in the top right corner of the screen. The app will instantly update your profile and your new name will be visible to others right away. This method is fast, beginner-friendly, and can be done anytime you want to refresh your identity or branding on X.